Young Hustler, man. I'm back with another journey, man, and I'm growing my dreads back out. So as you can see right now, man, I started off with a fresh edge. I've been growing my hair for like 2 weeks now. This is my starting point to growing out a fro, you know, and everything's been going smooth, man. You feel me? Here's the shampoo I've been using, man. I use this like twice a week, man. This is the Organics Olive Oil Shampoo. It's pretty straight, you know what I'm saying? I really can't complain. It smells real good, man. So what I do is I use that in the mornings or before I go to bed, man. I use this Olive Miracle Growth Oil right here, man. It's really straight. I mean, like, for real. A lot of good things that people have, man. Yeah, so check it out. Anyways, man, back to what I was saying. I cut my dreads, man. I should have never cut them, man, and I miss them, you know what I'm saying? So this time I'm gonna share with y'all. Let y'all see my starting point, how my dreads look when I start them, and you know what I'm saying? Just let y'all in, man. Let y'all see what's up. Give me comments, insight, man. Rate, subscribe, whatever, man. It is what it is. It's your boy, Young Hustler. New music coming soon. Hey, what else can I say? I'm back, baby. Ugh.